Hey guys, Sean coming at you from the Craft Elements shop today. We've got two brand new molds that are joining our flags, Americana, patriotic lineup. Yes, we are a Canadian company, but like 90% of you guys are in the US, which is why we have a lot of US themed molds. Now joining our line is this brand new 13 Folds of Old Glory mold. Hopefully I got that correct. No disrespect, obviously not an American, so I don't fully understand, but generally when you're a fallen service member, police officer, military, you get a folded flag, and that's kind of what it looks like once it's folded. So this is going to get you the ability to create solid resin folded flags. Typically you're going to do the background in blue, stars in white, but of course there's a lot of creative options for you. Next up is a 14 by about 8 inches embossed cross. So this is one of our cross molds, but it actually has embossed relief of an American flag on it. So you've got star pattern here, lines here, and of course once you actually demold this, you're going to have stars in the left hand corner as you would expect. Both these molds are 3/4 inches deep, and there's a lot of creativity that you can integrate into these. I'm going to do some basic pours with some pre-mixed Total Boat thickset resin today, but there's a lot of stuff you could do. You could put a base layer of clear down, embed some coins or medallions or medals or memorabilia, then put a back layer down. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys, the artists. I'm just here to demonstrate how the molds work. Now, we picked Total Boat thickset because it is good for up to 1 inch. I've pre-mixed it with some black diamond pigments. For our 13 folds mold, I'm using the deep sea blue color, which is a kind of a cool American flag blue in my opinion. And then for the cross with the American flag relief, we're using a mix of black diamond liquid metal pearl and black onyx, kind of to get like a gunmetal-ish type look. So I'm kind of hoping for like an iron ore type look once that thing is demolded. So enough of me blabbing. We're going to turn the camera around, get a close-up, and you can see what these things look like after I demold them. So I've already gone and sprayed our epoxy resin mold release 8329 non-silicone mold release for these silicone molds, which is going to of course help protect them. And like I said, I've already pre-mixed this resin up, and all I'm going to do is just fill up this whole mold. Now once this particular mold is filled and demolded, we're going to take it out, flip it over, and we're going to backfill those stars with white resin. All right, that one's done, easy peasy. I'm going to come over here and grab our gray sort of gunmetal and throw that in our cross mold. I'm really excited to see how this one turns out because I think that embossed relief is going to be super cool. We're back late the next day. I'm going to take these guys out of the molds. First, the embossed cross mold, and big reveal here. Let's see what this looks like. Nice easy demold. Pretty cool. I mean, it's faint, but that's the whole point. It's supposed to be an embossed kind of relief look. Next guy up is our 13 folds mold. Let's work the edges first here and pop all those stars out. Perfect, just as I expected here. I think it'll look cool once I backfill these with white resin, which I'm going to do right now. All right guys, that's the end of the video. The US flag embossed cross mold, as well as the 13 folds of Old Glory or 13 folds flag mold, are both available now at craftelements.com. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Happy making.